If you live outside the Eurozone like we are in the UK, thinking about how you're going to pay for things in Europe can be a bit of a minefield and end up costing you more than it needs to. We've tried out a few methods of purchasing and getting cash out when we're away, so we're going to share what we think are the best, so stay with us. Don't forget to check out our other videos on everything campervan and motorhome related, from solar to water, heating to gadgets, tyres to trips. If you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up, it really does help me to know what you like, and you can ask any questions or give feedback in the comments. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of our future videos, please hit the subscribe button, and clicking the bell will give you a notification when a new video goes live. Finally, if you do decide to hit the thumbs down, it would be great if you could also leave a comment so I know what you didn't like. We're old enough to remember having to get different currencies for every country in Europe and visiting banks with travellers' checks to get money out. Well, things thankfully are a lot simpler now, being able to purchase products with your card and withdraw euros from a machine pretty much anywhere. But there are some things to think about before you head off into Europe using your normal bank account or credit card. So we'll take a look at some options and share our real life tests. But first, why might it not be best to use your normal UK credit card or debit cards?
There are a number of things to look out for when using your card abroad to withdraw money or make purchases. Many standard accounts add additional charges for anything that is not in sterling. These could be a non-sterling transaction fee in either percent or a fixed amount every time you make a transaction in a foreign currency, or non-sterling purchase fees just on purchases, or a non-sterling cash fee every time you withdraw foreign cash. We've also found that non-specialists accounts are more likely to decline foreign transactions when you're abroad, even if you've given them advance notice for your travels.
Let's take a quick look at 4 options that should be better when using them in Europe. Before we put them to the test, we have only summarised some of the key features, so be sure to check out the detail on each provider's website before you make your choice. First, we've got the Revolut prepaid card, which you transfer money to. Revolut operates under an e-money licence, not a banking licence in the UK, so your money is not protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme.
Revolut is free to set up, but there is a delivery fee of £4.99 for a physical card when using their free account, which gives you £200 of foreign free cash withdrawals, or a maximum of 5 per month. Their paid accounts increase this up to a maximum of £800 per month. Once you reach the limit, there is a 2% fee for each withdrawal. Purchases have no fee, but the free account has a fair use limit of £1,000 a month, after which 0.5% is charged on purchases. Do watch out for Revolut's weekend surcharge of 1%, which applies to purchases or cash withdrawals between 1700 hours on a Friday and 1800 hours on a Sunday New York time. Administered through an easy-to-use app, you can top up the card and monitor your transactions easily. You can change money in bulk to a separate pot in a foreign currency, or it will do it automatically as you withdraw it.
The Monzo Current Account is a UK-based online-only bank, so your money is protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme.
Again, it is free to set up, but with this one there is no card delivery fee. Their free account gives £200 foreign cash per 30 days, and their paid account increases this up to a maximum of £600 per 30 days. Once you've exceeded this, there is a 3% charge. There are no fees or limits for purchases in a foreign currency. Again, with a very functional app, you can transfer money, monitor payments, and move money as you do with most online banks.
The Nationwide Flex Plus account is a UK bank with online and actual branches. Again, your money is protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme.
The account has a monthly fee of £13, which includes up to £500 a day foreign cash withdrawals with no charges. There are no charges or limits for purchases, and it includes worldwide family travel medical insurance, including winter sports, personal or joint if it's a joint account, UK and European breakdown cover with the AA, which includes motorhomes up to 7.5 tonnes, and mobile phone insurance for the whole family.
Now, if you would prefer to use a credit card rather than a debit card, we use this one from Nationwide as it gives worldwide commission-free purchases.
A credit card is particularly useful if you're somewhere that wants to take a pre-authorization fee, like a car hire or hotel, or maybe just for large purchases or emergencies. With it being a credit card, eligible purchases are automatically protected under Section 75, which can be useful, but do note that for non-sterling cash withdrawals, it does have a 2.5% charge with a minimum of £3, and interest is charged as soon as cash is withdrawn. So not one for cash really. But when we broke down in France and had an unexpected £1,000 euro repair bill, we were very glad to have it in our wallet.
Excluding our credit card as we weren't buying anything worth using it for, we carried out 4 purchases on our recent trip to France, all on the same day using the Revolut, Monzo, Nationwide Flex Plus and our standard NatWest UK current account debit card. Let's take a quick look at how much these purchases actually cost us.
As you can see, the €12.10 purchase with the Revolut card cost us £10.29p. It had a good exchange rate of 1.187, but as the purchase was made on a Saturday, that 1% weekend surcharge was added, making the real rate 1.176, which would mean €100 would cost us £85.04. With the Monzo card, we paid £11.40 for a €13.60 purchase. The exchange rate was 1.193, and with no surcharges, it meant that €100 would cost us £83.82. When using our Nationwide Flex Plus account, a €27.60 purchase costs £23.21. with an exchange rate of 1.189 and no surcharges, so €100 would cost us £84.09. And in comparison, using our standard NatWest current account, €8.50 cost us £7.30. The exchange rate of 1.192 was pretty much the same as Monzo, but the 2.5% non-sterling transaction fee made that actually 1.159, meaning we'd have to pay £86.24 for those €100. Which is £2.42 more than the Monzo card. It also took 3 days for the purchase to show up in the app, whereas the others appeared immediately. So overall, this puts Monzo and Nationwide Flex Plus in a similar ballpark, with Revolut losing out with its weekend surcharge, and NatWest standard account demonstrating why it's worth checking what your standard account will charge you.
So if you just want a card for purchases and withdrawing a little bit of cash, Monzo would be a good choice, as it's easy to set up, use, and you don't have to pay anything for a physical card. The app worked really well with a great exchange rate, with no charges for purchases even at weekends, and no charges for cash if you stay in the free cash limit of £200 a month. You'll also have that Financial Services Compensation Scheme protection. If you want to be able to withdraw more cash, going for a paid account is the way to go, and our choice would be the Flex Plus account from Nationwide. At £13 a month, it's the same as Revolut's Best account and cheaper than Monzo's, and has a much higher cash limit. We also save much more than the fee with the family worldwide travel insurance, UK and European breakdown cover, and mobile phone insurance, all of which we have made successful claims on, so we know they do work. If you've got any tips on how you manage your finances when abroad, or any questions, please pop them in the comments below.
Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.